Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing tail bulb on this Nissan Qashqai. It's a fairly easy job, so we're going to show you step by step how to change the bulb. So to start off with, we're going to open the boot. So we've got two 10mm bolts here. Okay, there are two of them, so we're going to undo these two to take the light out. There isn't any way we can get to the light from the back because it's all covered up. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. We're just gonna undo the two small bolts. Right, in order to dislocate the light, okay, we're gonna pull it towards us, just like that. Okay, so you just pull it like this. Right, so here's our circuit board with all the light bulbs in it. So what we're gonna do is right, that's how we're gonna pull the circuit board out. And there's a clip here on this side. There we go, friends. So we've got an indicator light bulb here and the brake light bulb. So in our case, we're going to be changing the brake light bulb as well as the tailgate light. It's a double filament bulb, so we're going to change that bulb here. So we're going to look for the double filament bulb here from our collection of bulbs. Okay. We're just gonna show you what the difference is between the double filament and the single filament. Single filament is just one filament, so they are normally used for, like, I mean, when you have a separate brake light and the tailgate light separate. Okay, and the double filament is where the tailgate light and the brake light, they are all in one. So one of the filament is for the normal tailgate light, and then the other filament, the second filament, works as like when you press the brake, so the same bulb glows even more brighter. So that's what the difference is between the single filament and the double filament. Okay, so in this case it's a double filament bulb which we're going to be replacing. Okay, so as I mentioned, you push the bulb in and twist it clockwise, and that's how you secure it. Okay, so it's the same procedure for the indicator light bulb as well. Twist it anti-clockwise, and then you just pull it out, and then to secure it you just push it in and then turn it clockwise. That's how you secure it. Okay, now that we have changed the bulb, so we're gonna put the circuit board back into its place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it in just like that, and there we go, friends. That's nicely secured. And so see this pin here, that should go in here. The bottom one and the top one should go here, and that's how you secure the light from this end. And then we've got two bolts on this side to secure it. Okay, so we're gonna place the light here and then push it in. There we go. Did you hear the click? So that shows that the light is in place nicely. Shouldn't tighten it too much because it's plastic light. Don't want to be breaking it. Don't want to be breaking the bracket, the mount. There we go, friends. That's the tailgate light bulb fitted in no time. Okay, so now we're just gonna test it. So there we go, friends. Okay friends, now that I've fitted the tailgate light in no time, can you please like, subscribe and thumb up my videos. Thank you very much for watching the video.